Can. Sentence: I can swim. Explanation: can is used to express someone's ability or skill to do something in the present. Could. Sentence: he could run fast. Explanation: could refers to an ability someone had in the past, or sometimes a polite possibility. May. Sentence: may I sit here? Explanation: may is a formal modal verb used to ask or grant permission respectfully. Might. Sentence: she might come. Explanation: might is used to show a small or uncertain possibility about a future event. Shall. Sentence: shall we go? Explanation: shall is commonly used in questions to offer suggestions or seek agreement in formal situations. Should. Sentence: you should rest. Explanation: should is used to give advice or suggest what is the right or best thing to do. Will. Sentence: I will call you. Explanation: will shows future intention, promise, or willingness to do something. Would. Sentence: I would help. Explanation: would is used for polite offers, preferences, or imagined situations, especially conditional. Must. Sentence: you must stop. Explanation: must indicates a strong obligation, command, or something that is very necessary or required. Ought to. Sentence: you ought to try. Explanation: ought to give strong moral advice. What is the right or expected thing to do? Need to. Sentence: I need to go. Explanation: need to expresses a requirement or necessity, something that must be done. Used to. Sentence: we used to play. Explanation: used to refers to actions or situations that were true in the past but no longer happen. Dare. Sentence: I dare you. Explanation: dare is used to challenge someone boldly or provoke them to do something risky or brave. Had better. Sentence: you'd better leave. Explanation: had better is a strong form of advice, often with a warning of a bad result if the advice is not followed. Would rather. Sentence: I'd rather stay. Explanation: would rather expresses a preference between two options or choices. Shan't. Sentence: I shan't go. Explanation: shan't, shall not, is a formal way to say someone refuses or strongly decides not to do something. Won't. Sentence: he won't help. Explanation: won't, will not, shows refusal or unwillingness to do something in the future. Can't. Sentence: you can't enter. Explanation: can't is used to express prohibition or impossibility, something is not allowed or not possible. Could have. Sentence, I could have won. Explanation, could have, refers to a missed opportunity or something that was possible in the past but didn't happen. Should have. Sentence, you should have called. Explanation, should have, is used to express regret or criticize a past action that was not done. Might have. Sentence, she might have left. Explanation, might have, is used to talk about a possible past action. It's uncertain whether it really happened. Must have. Sentence, he must have known. Explanation, must have, expresses a strong logical conclusion or assumption about a past event. Would have. Sentence, I would have gone. Explanation, would have, refers to something that was expected or imagined in the past but didn't occur. Have to. Sentence, I will have to leave. Explanation, have to, shows